Micromanaging employees can produce some negative results. I'll explain that in this video. Hello, I'm Goldberg of Optimus Performance, bringing you practical tips and ideas on leadership, team development, and employee performance in the workplace. The other day, I was speaking with a candidate for a job that I'm helping a client fill, and he told me the reason he wants to leave, or one of the reasons he wants to leave his current job, is because his manager is micromanaging him. And I thought about this and how micromanaging can affect an employee's attitude, and in this case, give a good reason for want to change jobs. Now, why do managers micromanage? And it could be for a number of reasons, but it made me think that this is a good topic to talk about because it's a common thing where managers could have a tendency to micromanage. And it's really about wanting to be in control and making sure that the employee is always doing the right thing. So it's really about looking at that factor of control and fear. So how do you counteract that? And really the way, and I've talked about this in a lot of my videos, is to establish performance commitments up front and make sure that the person has the skills and that they have the support to do the job, and then let them go and do it. And if you have a lot of fear of being out of control, then have more regular check-ins with that employee to find out where they're at, or set up a tracking system where you could have kind of like a dashboard of performance indicators of where they're at in their progress towards whatever important tasks or projects that they're working on. So really the key is to establish and agree and be clear with the person or with your staff on what it is they need to be doing, and not be looking over their shoulder, but trust them that they have the skills, that they have the support, make sure the support is there, and let them do the job, and then monitor it through indicators, performance indicators, or regular sit-downs and discussions. I hope this tip makes sense. It'll help you let go of having to be in control. Check out some of the related videos on the channel, subscribe and turn on notifications. Check out the articles in the blog section of our website. Thank you for listening, and we'll talk again soon.